In this video, I'll tell you how I chose the colors for my Spider-Man drawing. This is the paper I used. The first thing I did was draw a sketch of Spider-Man. Then I erased those hard lines you see in the contours. I want my sketch to be about the darkness of the web you can see in Spider-Man's chest. Next, I figured out which colors to use. Here's a paper of the study I conducted. Don't worry, I know it looks messy, but I'll explain everything. Here are the colors I used. I have some reds on the left side. I'm gonna take a few of these reds. A few blues. And some browns. I want to find out which colors to use to blend the reds in Spider-Man's costume. I'll loosely color on the paper. And by the way, I am going to write the numbers of these colors down. But if you don't have the same brand, don't worry about it. You can use any brand. Just follow the same principle and try to figure out which colors you want to use. I like these reds. Next, I'll use a colorless blender to burnish the bottom parts of my reds. Notice how shiny those colors become. Here's the number for the colorless blender. I think I'll use these reds for my drawing. Now I'll practice how to blend the reds. I'll start with browns. Now I'll add the reds to these figures. I'll start with the darkest red, then the medium red, and finally the lightest red. I will use the colorless blender on the left sides of these shapes. There is a big difference. I like how these have turned out, but I like this one the most. Here are the numbers for the colors I used on these shapes. I used these reds on my drawing, but I added more layers to make the drawing come alive. Now let's figure out which blues to use. I followed the same procedure as I did with the red. I colored in different types of blues and then I burnished them with a colorless blender. Remember, you will use more layers on your drawing. Now we'll practice how to blend the blues. Again, I'm starting from dark to light. And this is how my blues turned out. I like them, but I think I'll give it another practice with going from light to dark. Let's see how this one turns out. Oh, I like this one much better. Yes, I really like how this is turning out. Let's try adding some dark shadows. And that's how this colorful character came to life. Click on the link in the description if you want to see how I colored the amazing Spider-Man. Thanks for watching.